keep the horse clean that has free fecal water syndrome? It's tricky. So free fecal water syndrome is a condition in which horses, as they're passing manure, will also pass free water. Now this can happen before, during, or after they're passing manure, or it can just happen randomly. And their inside of their hind legs and their rumps and their tails can get really dirty. So let's talk cleanup. In the warmer months, blast everything as best you can with shampoo. You can also find color correcting shampoos or whitening shampoos that will help lift all of those stains. In the cold months, consider doing some hot toweling. Hot water plus no rinse shampoo, some cloths, wring them out, and use that as your curry to lift those stains. For the tails, same approach. See if you can blast everything out. So, condition. So we want to use a conditioner on the hair, and we want to protect it with a grooming oil so that everything becomes like a slip and slide. Nothing's going to stick. You could also use Vaseline. You could use zinc oxide. Now, these things are going to be messy-ish, but it's better than the alternative. Sometimes horses get so irritated by the free fecal water that they will lose a little bit of their hair and their skin can get really sensitive and painful. If your horse wears blankets or sheets, take off the tail cover to give the tail a little bit more room to lift. Consider using a tail bag and switch from a tail cord to leg straps. Sometimes those cords will just catch everything and just kind of distribute it around. You can also loosely braid your horse's tail, and by this I mean actually the tail top that has those shorter pieces of hair that tend to fall down as your horse lifts their tail. And hopefully that keeps the tail hairs out of the way of the free fecal water. Luckily, the free fecal water syndrome is typically not super harmful to horses, and they can exist peacefully and comfortably with it. It becomes a problem when it irritates their skin, and of course the cleanup is a trouble. So work with your vet on supplements and maybe switching to a mostly grass-based forage. That seems to help some horses as well. There's a horse here at the barn, Miguel's girlfriend, and she uses this flax, this cold milled flax. It has prebiotics, probiotics, and helps with buffering the hindgut as well. That has really helped her.